sommige gaan subtiel te werk, ander gaan eenvoudig groot. Wat duidelik is dat ANC-ondersteuners in Mangaung besef die waarde van karre as advertensieruimte. Ons het in een van die lawaaimakers se kar geklim om uit te vind wat presies die plan is.
What effect do you think this is having? Like, what is the point of this? Do you not get tired of doing it?
No, not going to get tired. I'm not going to get tired until Zuma take over. ANC is a very strong organization, Baba. It needs a strong man like Zuma. So it's a way of impressing my views. It's the way I'm expressing my views. The way they express their views by what they are wearing. Others are expressing their views with the noise. Others are expressing their views with the flags.
And your chosen method clearly is noise.
Yes, in my car.